To wrap up our safety video checklist, the Boathouse would like to present further instruction that is provided within your boat club membership. As a responsible boat operator, boater education and safety courses are always recommended prior to your first time on the water. In addition to this video playlist you're working through, an in-person basic operational orientation is offered and required by the Boathouse prior to your first time on the water. Any lessons, orientations, or refreshers are available to you at only the cost of fuel. Understand that you are responsible for having a safe, working, and operational knowledge of the boats and the body of water you are boating on. And you must check the fuel level before leaving and continually monitor the level of fuel whenever you're in use. Every time you operate any boat, understand that you should know and double check for the location of the fire extinguisher, first aid kit, flare, and safety kit that are applicable to your location. You should always be aware of the location of your boat club binder. You must know and double check the location of the registration stickers and card, at least one Type 4 throwable on board, all life jackets that are properly fitted for every passenger on the boat before you go out in the water. Understand that operating a vessel with a person in the water or near the vessel is extremely dangerous. That starting a vessel with the engine in gear is extremely dangerous. That leaving the vessel running when a passenger is boarding or disembarking is extremely dangerous. And that all equipment provided by the Boathouse is to be used at your own risk. Each location may vary, which is why you must be aware of which locations have VHF radios and how to obtain them. Finally, understand that you are responsible for any and all damage incurred while the boat is in your care. Happy and safe boating from the Boathouse.